Oi, そこのバカ. Baka is probably like the only bad word you know in Japanese, right? Well, I'm here to change that. Welcome to Let's Learn How to Insult People in Japanese. ちゃんと聞いとけよ. First word. キモい. キモい. This is like disgusting. Use it for anything that makes you want to say ew. You can shorten it like キモ or stretch the vowels like キモい or キモ. You can also add すぎ at the end, which means like very, and say キモすぎ. Okay, next word. うざい. うざい. This is like annoying. Different ways to say this is うざ, うざ, うぜ, うざすぎ. Alright, let's use these in a sentence. Put it together with お前, which means you, but in like a disrespectful way. For example, お前キモすぎ. キモお前. うぜお前. And there you go. Now all you have to do is practice. Practice is what makes things perfect. Just don't say that to your oshi, they will hate you. Follow me for more random Japanese words and let me know in the comments on what you want to learn next.